everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today we have my first luxury unboxing of 2025. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a special Louis Vuitton unboxing. So if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider click the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So yes, hi, hello everyone. How are you doing today? If you are in the world of luxury and luxury fashion, then you will have known what yesterday was. Today is January 4th as I'm filming this. Yesterday, of course, January 3rd. Yesterday was the release of the 20th anniversary collab of Takashi Murakami and Louis Vuitton. I am so excited about this collab. I'm so excited about this launch. I'm just so excited about this collection in general. I think there's like 2 or 3 phases of this collection, and this phase that we're currently in is the really colorful LV logos. If you grew up in the 2000s, you probably saw that print everywhere. I know I did. I saw a ton of it when I was growing up. It's super iconic. So that is the current phase that we're in. So I have a little unboxing to share with you. I went to the store yesterday. I didn't go at like 6 a.m. and wait in the big line, but we were going to go to the local mall we have in my area anyways. We were going to go out to eat. We were going to go look around. So I knew this collection was coming out. I knew that I wanted to go in and take a look at it. I didn't really know what to expect because I know that the VIPs and a lot of people had already either pre-ordered or they waited in the super long line yesterday morning at the Louis Vuitton store. So I just kind of went in thinking that they were going to be completely out of stock of everything, but they actually did have a few pieces. They still had a couple handbags. They had like an Alma. They had a black leather one with the rainbow LV. If they would have had the pochette, like the LV pochette, oh my God, I know that bag literally went the second pre-orders opened, but I was able to still pick something up, and I feel so incredibly lucky because out of the 3 colors that this came in, I feel so lucky that I was able to find it in this color because it's my favorite out of the 3. Honestly, I probably would have bought it no matter what because I really just wanted something from this collection, but without any further ado, now, you can tell by the bag or the box that it's not like a full-on handbag or anything. They're coming out, like I said, with a few more phases, and the cherry blossom phase, not the cherries, but the cherry blossom phase is the one that I actually like a lot. I do, of course, like the rainbow LV logos, but my second one is like the cherry blossom. So maybe I could get a pochette or get something else from that phase. But yeah, here is my little receipt from Louis Vuitton. And I know you're probably thinking, oh my God, why don't you have the Murakami packaging? My store didn't get it. The sales associate that I spoke to yesterday said that only a few select stores got the packaging, and the Nashville one was not one that got the packaging, which sucks because I really would have liked to have the Murakami packaging. It doesn't really matter too much because obviously the thing that I want is in here. I'm so excited because this is something that I don't have. Like, I don't have this style. I don't have anything in this color. So leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think I got and what color from the Murakami. This is from the Murakami collection. Oh my God, I can't believe it. And I haven't opened this yet. So I have, of course, seen it because I saw it at the store, but this is a, I guess, true unboxing because I have not actually opened and started using this yet. So I am so excited to unbox this with you. And of course, let me know in the comments if you were able to get something from the Murakami collab. I know a lot of people trying to buy stuff online was like impossible. You couldn't add stuff to cart, things were getting taken out. It was like a whole fiasco on the website. So let me know if you were actually able to like successfully place an order, or let me know if you got something from in store. But you open this up. You can probably tell that it's a little SLG. If you know me, you know that I love this color. All right. Oh my gosh. Here she is. Oh my God, you guys. This little wallet is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Okay, so like I said, I don't have this style of wallet. This is the Lisa wallet, and this is my first ever Lisa wallet. I have the Rosalie card, like coin holder wallet, which I have that one in the shade Bubble Tea. That one came out last year, but this one is a brand new style to me, and I'm so obsessed with it. The reason why I really wanted something like this compared to the Rosalie one, because the Rosalie one for this collab does not have this little guy. Look, it's like a little panda. I know this is one of like Murakami's like more iconic characters. I don't know if he's a panda. He looks like a panda. He could be a mouse. I think he's a panda. But look, oh my gosh, that's so cute. The thing that would have made this even better is if he was in color. Like, I love the gold. I think the gold is really nice. But if he was in color, or if he was like enameled or whatever it is, it would be like, oh my God. But I'm just happy that you can just tell just by looking at the front here that it's part of the Murakami collection. This color is called green tea. So if you did get anything from the Milky Way collection last like January or February, then they had a shade quite similar to this that was called matcha. And this is not like a mint green. It is very nice. Like, I like this color green, but this is more of like a pistachio green. And they also had a very vibrant pink color, which I think is called kawaii pink. And then they had a very bright blue color that's kind of like this, but a little more, I don't know how to explain it, but it looked quite similar to this blue. And they had that, I don't know the name for it, but those were primarily the three colors that was in this phase of the collab. The green was my personal favorite. I am so happy that I was able to get the green. They had this, and they had the Rosalie coin holder wallet in the blue as well. And I liked the blue, but this one was still just, I'm really happy I was able to get this one. It's called green tea. It looks like green tea. Also looks very like pistachio, which I think is just, again, so cute. This has a like button snap closure. It has two sides. On this side right here, of course, we have the LV, and it is the empreinte leather, I believe. And then of course we have our little guy here, and there is a zipper compartment, and this is for like coins or anything small that you want to put in here. This zipper compartment is different than the one on the Rosalie, because the one on the Rosalie I feel like opens a lot wider, and it opens all the way. Like this, you can tell it's very tapered, and you're not going to be able to fit as many things in this wallet as you would in the Rosalie one. But to be honest, I have literally never used the coin pouch on the Rosalie wallet. I don't really care. I don't care about this coin pouch part at all. I might stick a couple of receipts in there or something if I remember, but yeah, that does not bother me. Unsnapping it here. This is my favorite part. When I saw this little peekaboo that the sales associate showed me, I lost my mind. It has the iconic white and like multicolor rainbow Louis Vuitton logo, kind of like a pop of color on the inside. I love this so much. And it also has the Murakami hot stamp. So it says 20-year anniversary celebration Louis Vuitton x Murakami made in France. And then it has 4 of the little, can you see that? I really hope you can see, because I don't know if my camera is like not focusing. But it has the 4 mascots. I love a good hot stamp. This is like my first hot stamped piece. I am so excited that it has this little pop of multicolor monogram on the inside. I love that little accent. I think it is so cute. And then also on this wallet, you do have a separate compartment back here if you needed to put cash or, you know, something else that would fit back there. So there is a lot of room in this wallet. This wallet is quite spacious, with also being quite slender as well, and still I feel like it won't take up a lot of room. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I am going to swap out of my current wallet. I changed into this one yesterday because I needed a more slim card holder because I carried one of my Chanel's yesterday. So I swapped in to this baby. I haven't worn her in a while, but now I'm gonna retire her for a second time and swap into this wallet. So I don't know how to put stuff in here, like what I should do. I have my gold card right here from American Express. I'm gonna put that right there. Very nice. I don't know what the capacity is looking like. I have my Delta Sky Miles card. It's very cool. I like this Delta card. It's nice. I don't use the Delta card as often, so I'm gonna put it back here. You can even see what I'm doing. In this little slot, that little opening pocket back there. I'm gonna stick it back there. Yeah, so you can see it does go back in there. And then I'm going to put my Citi Double Cash card and my American Express Blue card up here at the top because I use these pretty often. And then my debit card, I'm just gonna throw in the same spot where my Delta one is. And then on this side, I'm gonna put my ID in the first little slot. And then I do have my Hilton Honors American Express card. I'm gonna put it back here on this side in the back here. And then I have my Barnes & Noble membership because you definitely know I have the membership for Barnes & Noble because you get really good discounts. And there we go. I have got all of my stuff in this wallet. That's what she looks like when she's full. She is so cute. I love it. And I could also probably fit more in here as well. If some people carry a lot more cards than me, I might carry more cards than other people. But guys, are you kidding? This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I love the pop. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I was able to get this. I feel so, I don't know, I guess lucky that I was even able to get this, but I guess this one was just meant for me. So yeah, you guys, let me know in the comments again if you were able to get anything from the Murakami collab on launch day like yesterday, or if you pre-ordered, if you're like a VIP member, if you pre-ordered, let me know what you got, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything because I'm nosy now to know that. But you guys, thank you for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!